So hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to um, add user, update, and delete. But before that, we need to change this table. We need to add role ID and then hide the user ID and role ID. Able you to update the user role. Okay, so let's proceed. Open this gdialog user AU. Then, in gdialog user, then proceed to select user method. Then let's add here user, then get rule, then get ID. Then after that, it will error. Then let's add here um, rule ID. So this is called column index one. Rule ID. This is column index 0. So here, let's add in the set table method. Let's add here um, table column 1, then hide, then equal JTable user, then get column model, this one, then get column, and this is 0. So let's put here 0. Then next is hide, uh, then set minimum width 0, then hide, then set maximum width 0, then hide, then set preferred width 0. So let's comment this before we proceed. So let's try the this one rule ID and this one the added column and the table. So let's run. Let's see. Then user. Then we have added here because admin role is that is the ID of admin is 1. So let's hide this two column. So that's it. This we proceed to this one, to this statement, then uncomment, then copy this statement, then paste. Then let's put here um, hide column 1, which is the rule ID. Then change the column. This one is column 1. Hide. So let's try to run to see the changes. Because ID is not necessary to put, because we only care about is the data of the user. This one. So it hides. So next is let's add listener of this JTable, because when we click the row, we should get the data. So let's add here JTable user, then add mouse listener. Then let's put this in this class. So let's put this. Then let's implement the mouse listener here in the class mouse listener. Then let's implement all abstract methods. So let's delete the exception. Okay, here. Then in mouse click, first is we need to identify which components we click. So if e.get source, okay, so means we click table user. Okay, then next is we need to how many click, no, which is mouse we use, mouse one, button one or button two. So we are using button one, which is left click. So let's get get button equal um, mouse event, then button one, which is mouse left click. Then here is we need to get count the click. So then get count click equal one. Then next is let's to get the row. So let's um, row of the table. So n row equal table user get selected row. Okay, the next is if row not equal, so zero, if it is not empty, then let's proceed. So long, let's get the id of user id, uh, long that first long, then table user, then get value at column, which is column 0. So we hide the column 0 and column 1. So let's put here the two string to make it safe. Then long roll id equals long. So let's copy this one. Then change to the next is let's put here string for our first name. First name equals string. Oh no, this is a string. So table get value uh, two. This is one. Then the two string. Then string surname was table get value up. Then this is column 3. To string, to string. Then string username table get value up. This is for that string password equals table get value at row, and this is fine. That is string. Okay, so next is let's add here user user new user. Then let's get this one. Then no, before that we need to call the use rule r call new rule, this one. then rule ID. The next is okay, rule. Okay, so let's put here a rule to make to put value. So 6. This is rule. Uh, okay, rule. Then we have R here. So first role ID. This is user ID. User first name, surname. Okay. The next is let's put here value this. Let's see if we have a user object here. So we have user, and let's call the object user equal u. Okay, one. The next is let's proceed to new here. Okay, so let's comment this one. Then we have user here. Then okay, so let's create object here user private user equal new user. Okay. Then here let's put this user equal to this parameter user. Then let's put the title here. Um, let's put static title equal null. No, empty. This is a type of string. Save. Then here, let's put the value here for the string. So this title equal. This is two title here. So let's try title because JDialog has title variable which is also static. So here, let's click the button here, save, double click, or you can right click this one, events, then action performed. Then here, let's add here condition. So title this, then this is static that we create title, then equal, I mean, which is um, so let's put equals here because this is a string. So new, then let's copy this one, copy, then else f. Okay, then let's copy this one for the delete update, then delete. Okay, this is, then let's copy this method for the delete, copy, then let's change the swap the um, parameter which is string then title. So this is delete. Then this is update. Okay. So next is Let's get the data user here because we in the G dialog we click the row. So we put here the data, then send to dialog user EU. So here in update, this is update. Let's put here data j text field first name, then set text user use user, then get which is first name. Then next is the text field surname, then set text, then user, then get surname. Then gtext field username, then set text, then user, then get username. Then text field password, then set text, then user, then get password. The next is this is user, okay, parameter user rule, okay. Then let's copy this one, copy and paste here. Then let's try go to gdialog user, then let's add here command. Okay, then let's select call the select user. Then in the delete button, let's add here. Okay, let's copy this one. Then let's swap this because we swap the construct parameter constructor. So string. This is delete. Okay. The next is okay. Next here. Next is let's add statement here. So this user, okay, then set ID. So let's put here null because in adding data of the user, this is not necessary because this is auto increment. So let's proceed. So the next field is user, set first name, then user, no, gtext field, first name, then get text. And this user, then surname, set, surname, then gtext field, surname, then get text, then this user, then set username. Okay. Username, then get text. Then this user, then set password, then gtext field password, then get text. The next is let's add here combo box for the rule ID, then equal combo box list. Then here let's add this J combo box rule, then add get selected. This is object, so let's put here object get selected item. Then here, let's call the rule equal new rule. Okay, then the rule, then set ID. Then let's put rule ID for this combo box. Then we have a method of this get ID. Then get ID. Okay. The next is user and set rule. This is rule. The next is this implementation user DAO implement. So we have a user DAO implement here. Uh, user DAO user DAO. What is that? Oh no, we don't have yet a user DAO. So let's put here private user DAO implement user DAO implement equal new user DAO implement. Then proceed and user DAO implement. Let's put here change. Click the error. Then add user. Then we have Hibernate. Okay, we have here Hibernate, then Hibernate config. So let's call that object um, Hibernate config, then get entity manager. So that's it. Then after we click new, then let's dispose this G dialog. Okay, dispose after we add. So the next is here in the user, we have select user. So let's try if we can add a new user. Then set up user. Then let's add here. Um, for example, no, we don't have yet a title for new. So let's add here. Click new. Then let's put here title. This one. So let's put here new. So let's this title equals new because our condition of our button here is if the title equals new, then this statement will be execute. So let's start run again. Then new. Then let's put here Aldrin, then Java, then surname. Username is user, then user password, then our rule is user, then save. Okay, why? So we have here a user. We successfully add the user Java. So what's happened? Why It won't refresh. Okay, so we don't have here a select user. So let's proceed to update. Okay, update here. Let's copy this one. Copy, then paste. Then next is let's update here. Update user. Then change Hibernate config. Then get entity manager. Then this is a rule. Then here because when we update it requires here user ID. So let's change the user value there. This user ID. So let's call the user then get ID. Okay. Next is okay. There's no error with this. Let's try. Let's try run. Let's close the previous application. Then here. So click this row row one because this is row index 0. This is one. Then update. Then let's change this to Gonzales. Okay. Then let's change this to admin save. So it will change the admin rule, then the store name. So it will successfully added. The next is let's delete. So let's delete. And here this is method here user DAO implements then delete user Hibernate config then get entity manager. So here in delete user because in when we click the delete button here uh, delete this one. Okay, when we click this one we have a value here user here. When we click this one we send the value of user ID to user AU. So when we select delete, then it will delete the selected user. So let's this then dispose. Then let's try um, delete delete. Okay, select. So let's run the project. Let's try to delete a user. So right click this one, then delete, then save. Still this save. So let's change this button. Uh, change the button. Then this one. Okay. Here let's change the button title label. J button. Then set text. Then title. And let's copy this one to title. Then let's try run. Click this one user. click the update, then it changes to update. When we click the delete, then it changes to delete. So let's change this, let's delete this row, delete, then click this button delete, then it will delete the row. So in next video, I will teach you how to log in to this app. I will create a login and log out and search. So thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.